exciting news for people creating this type of videos on YouTube. But you see, you are limited to subscriptions on Grok, View, and the other AI tools because it is very, very expensive. Now, in this video, what I'm going to show you is one AI tool that is free and unlimited at the moment. This AI tool, you can use it to generate your videos, create your faceless content, your AI storytelling, whatever thing you want to use it to create, you can use it to create for now. And one thing with update is whenever it comes, it is better to jump in now. My name is Miguel. Welcome to my channel. Without wasting most of your time, let's dive in.
What you would want to do is to head over to your, if you're using an iPhone, you can head over to your app store. Now what you're going to do is you type Tinker by Spotify. So apparently Spotify is the owner of this video generation tool. You type it and press enter. This is it. I've already installed it. So what you're going to do is to make sure you install it, look at it very well so that you don't mistake it for another one. Then the next thing you're going to do is to get your affairs ready. Now what I'm going to show you is a demonstration. This is the app here. I'm going to show you a demonstration of how we create our YouTube videos and TikTok videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select Gemini. For me, I feel like Gemini is one of the best apps when it comes to storytelling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plus icon and then I click on create images. So what I'm going to do is I'll head over to my prompt. I've already written down some prompts for the sake of this particular video. So let us generate some images for whatever we are going to be doing. So let us see. All right, I think this is actually very nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on it, then I'm going to click on save. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the second character, Chris. Then I'm going to paste here. Okay, it's already on images, so let me paste the prompt and then I'll click here. So while we wait, the thing makes a whole lot of sense to use Gemini to generate. If you just want to flex and get exactly what you really need, you just have to get it. Now this is a body. Now I'm going to click on save to download the video. And then let's get to the location. For me, whenever I want to create my videos, because of consistency, I make sure I create the location. The reason for the location is I want to have, very good consistent character. I want to have very good consistent character. So I'm going to click on it and then wait for it to generate. Oh shit, I didn't want okay, just the location, remove the character from it. Well, actually we can work with this. Once we add the three of them together, we can generate whatever we want to generate. But it is actually very nice if you want to create animation videos for street football, street basketball. It's actually very, very nice. So me, I prefer, now this is what I want. I'm going to download it. If you have money, just subscribe to Gemini. It's really nice. But if you don't, you can make do with it. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to generate the scene. Now this is the scene prompt. I'm going to copy the scene prompt here. Now what I'm showing you is what people in the mentorship program is doing. So if you want to learn how to create these AI movies or AI animation for your YouTube automation and faceless YouTube, then DM me or write me on the email. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the two characters, the man and the woman, standing and facing each other, having a conversation. So I'm going to copy the first guy, which is this person. I'm just going to click, I'm going to tap, hold it and then click on copy. Then I paste it here. Then I'm going to scroll down, tap here, click on copy. Then I'll paste it again. Then I come to the basketball court where I want them to be talking, to be having conversation. So I'm going to copy it and paste it, having a conversation. The basketball court is the scene location. So let us all right, this is it's okay. For the sake of this tutorial, let's just leave it like that, but let me see if I can do a tweak. So if you want the prompt that I'm using to do this, join my Telegram channel. You can click on the description. You're going to see the link to join the Telegram channel. You get into it. All right, let's just leave it. Let me download it. So the next thing we are going to do is I want them to have several conversation. What I'm going to do is I'm going to give a prompt. I have this prompt. That I saved. If you want it, just join the Telegram channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy the prompt. I'm going to copy the prompt and come here. Then I'm going to edit it. A cinematic shot from behind the man's head, focusing clearly on woman's face as she speaks. Then I'm going to send it. So this is the base image. Now we are going to be getting the conversation. Okay, it's actually good. So we are going to download it. We're going to click download. Then we are going to still paste the link, that particular prompt again. And then, let me copy it here. Copy paste. Then this time around we are going to change it to face the woman's back of the head and the man's face. Okay, we're going to save it. Now we are going to head over to Thinker, so that we are going to generate the video, because we are done generating the pictures or images, the scenes and conversations. So as a new user, you need to register with your email address, your Google email address. You can see here I'm done doing it. So I'm going to tap on type to create. I'll click there. And then I'm going to click on video. Then I'm going to click here to select the model that I want. You can see the 4 models here. So let's use sit dance. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to upload the image. I'm going to upload the image. Then I'm going to head over to my Google Doc to get the prompt that I want to use, the conversation prompt. Now, disclaimer: the AI tool is free for a limit. I think up to 7 videos or something. So I'm going to copy this conversation prompt, and I'll come here and then I'm going to paste the prompt. Now the next thing, the image has been uploaded, the prompt has been pasted. The next thing is I'm going to slide to generate. Okay, I don't know why it's not making any sound, but this is how it is done though. But what you're going to do is I guess the problem is from my side, but I'm going to click here and click on download to download it. So this is exactly how to use this particular AI tool to create your videos. You can generate multiple videos and bring them all in your CapCut or your any editing app, and make sure you bring all of them together to get the exact thing that you want. So go and try it out. See you on the next one.